Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a GDPR-ready sign-up form in Mailchimp. This is essential if you're collecting email addresses from subscribers in the European Union, as GDPR compliance ensures you're properly handling consent and protecting user data. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open a web browser and navigate to Mailchimp.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to either create an account or sign into your existing one. If you're new to Mailchimp, click on Sign Up Free to get started. This will guide you through creating your account with basic information. If you already have an account, simply log in using your credentials. After signing in, direct your attention to the left side menu where you'll find various options for managing your Mailchimp account. Click on Audience and an expanded selection will appear. From these options, select Audience Dashboard. This is your central hub for managing all subscriber-related settings and information. Once you're on the Audience Dashboard, look towards the top right corner of your screen. Here you'll see a button labeled Manage Audience. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with several management options. From this expanded menu, select Settings. This is where you'll access the core configuration options for your audience and forms. You'll now be directed to the Settings page. Scroll down through the various options until you locate the GDPR Fields section. You'll notice a toggle button next to GDPR Fields on every sign-up form. Toggle this on to activate GDPR compliance features. Once enabled, click on Configure GDPR Settings to access the detailed configuration page. From here, you'll be required to fill in several important fields to ensure your forms meet GDPR standards. These fields include a title, description, and marketing preferences. The title should clearly state what subscribers are consenting to, while the description explains how their data will be used. Make sure to click on Display GDPR Fields on sign-up forms before proceeding. This ensures the consent checkboxes and information appear on all your forms. Once you've filled in all the required information, click Save GDPR Settings to apply your changes. Once saved, the GDPR field will be automatically added to all your sign-up forms. This means every new subscriber will now see clear consent options and understand how their data will be used, keeping you fully compliant with GDPR regulations. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.